Welcome to our exploration of sustainable project management, where we rethink how projects are delivered for long-term impact. In the image, we see a collaborative team using digital tools, which sets the tone for blending innovation with responsibility. Over the next slides, we'll look at why sustainability matters, the technologies enabling it, and practical leadership approaches to drive real change. We are entering a new era of project management that moves beyond traditional schedules and budgets to prioritize resilience and societal value. Teams are more cross-functional, decision-making is data-informed, and success includes environmental and social outcomes as much as delivery milestones. This shift requires different priorities, new tools, and a mindset focused on lasting benefits rather than short-term wins. Sustainability is urgent because stakeholders increasingly demand it, with many organizations feeling pressure to embed greener practices from the start. At the same time, sustainable projects often outperform others by delivering long-term value beyond simple cost and time metrics. Project managers now act as agents of change, shaping environmental, social, and economic outcomes across industries as part of core delivery. The triple bottom line, people, planet, and profit, reminds us that sustainable projects balance environmental stewardship, social equity, and economic viability. That balance builds resilience and creates shared value rather than trade-offs. For example, renewable energy initiatives in Southern California reduce emissions while boosting local economies and creating skilled jobs, illustrating how integrated projects can benefit communities and investors alike. Technology plays a pivotal role in enabling sustainable delivery, from smarter planning to continuous monitoring. The visual emphasizes how digital platforms and connected systems give teams transparency, help optimize resource use, and make sustainability measurable. When technology is applied thoughtfully, it amplifies our ability to design lower-impact projects, forecast outcomes, and scale best practices across portfolios without sacrificing performance. AI and automation are reshaping how we manage risk and resources, enabling early prediction of issues and more efficient allocation. Routine tasks can be automated so leaders focus on strategy and stakeholder engagement, while generative tools accelerate reporting and scenario planning. A case in point, AI-driven solar farm management improved energy output by 23% while reducing environmental impact through predictive maintenance. Cloud platforms and collaboration tools are essential for remote and hybrid teams, offering a cloud-first approach that reduces infrastructure costs and carbon footprints. Blending agile flexibility with structured methods lets teams adapt sustainably to complexity, and distributed work models cut travel emissions while improving work-life balance and retention. The new normal is using digital collaboration to deliver projects efficiently across borders. Embedding sustainability into project life cycles means designing environmental and social considerations into every phase, from inception through handover. The image of directional signs captures the idea of clear, repeatable pathways for sustainable decisions. When teams plan, procure, build, and close with impact in mind, sustainability becomes an integral part of governance, not an afterthought added at the last minute. The MORE framework offers practical steps to lead sustainably. Start by managing perceptions and aligning stakeholder expectations early, then own project success by measuring environmental and social impact alongside traditional KPIs. Relentlessly reassess outcomes through the life cycle and expand perspective by considering long-term consequences and unintended effects, ensuring decisions today support resilient benefits tomorrow. Sustainable projects deliver measurable competitive advantages, from stronger brand loyalty and new market opportunities to reduced regulatory risk. Real-world figures show leaders in sustainability see notable improvements, including an average 43% uplift in revenue, 67% reduction in compliance risk, and 58% better talent attraction, demonstrating how sustainability moves organizations from compliance to strategic strength. Successful sustainable project managers combine technical competence with the right mindset, valuing collaboration, ethics, and long-term thinking. The image of a team in discussion highlights how people-centered leadership fosters buy-in and creativity. To lead change, you need the ability to connect across stakeholders, translate sustainability into tangible project outcomes, and guide teams through ambiguity with clarity and purpose. Beyond technical skills, emotional intelligence and ethical leadership are essential to sustain performance and well-being. Genuine empathy builds trust and prevents burnout on distributed teams, ethical leadership ensures fair labor and inclusive practices, and a commitment to lifelong learning keeps capabilities aligned with evolving standards and technology. The best leaders blend human-centered approaches with technical mastery to drive impact. Preparing for the future means investing in certifications, AI tool competency, and hybrid methodologies that support complex projects. Industry credentials and hands-on mastery of data analytics and automation lend credibility, while adaptable frameworks keep teams resilient. For example, using Power BI and Tableau to visualize sustainability KPIs has been shown to improve stakeholder engagement by around 40%, reinforcing the value of upskilling. The road ahead calls for leaders who are willing to catalyze sustainable change across portfolios and organizations. The image of a path forward captures the need for vision, courage, and consistent action, combining strategic foresight with operational rigor. By prioritizing long-term resilience, building partnerships, and embedding sustainability into governance, project leaders can guide enterprises toward positive, measurable outcomes. Every project is an opportunity to create lasting positive impact, so embrace innovation, apply ethical practices, and lead boldly to benefit people, planet, and profit. Use technology and stakeholder engagement to drive meaningful change, and remember that small decisions compound into significant outcomes over time. The future of project management is sustainable. Are you ready to step forward and lead it?